We will discuss about vision. There are several fundamental concepts for us to understand vision. Firstly, hue refers to the visual experience specified by color names and related to the wavelength of light. Brightness refers to the visual experience related to the amount of light emitted from or reflected by an object. It can be also called lightness or luminous. Lastly, saturation refers to the visual experience related to the complexity of light waves. Now, let's take a look into the structure of our eyes. In the very front, it is the cornea, which protects our eye and bends light towards lens. The lens focuses on objects by changing its shape. In the center, the iris controls the amount of light that gets into eye. Whereas pupil is the opening through which light reaches the retina. The retina is the neural tissue lining the back of the eyeball's interior, containing visual receptors. There are two major types of visual receptors. The rods are the visual receptors that respond to dim light. The cones are the visual receptors involved in color vision. Here are some more details about these two types of receptors. To check your understanding, here is the question. You find it difficult to locate a red car at night in a poor lighting street. Why? Think about if it is related to the natures of the cones or rods. We may need to understand that our visual system is not a camera. It means we do not copy every details from the environment. There are features detector cells in our visual systems. These cells are in our visual cortex and are sensitive to specific features of the environment. Much of our visual processing is actually done in our brain. For example, some cortical cells respond to lines in specific orientation, and other cortical cells respond to their shape. These form the specific nature of our visual system.